Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we call your attention to some stories from the week you might have missed. I am coming to you this week from sunny San Diego. First up, we have some more details on Airbus's secret UCAV project. This is the Low Observable UAV Testbed, which has the unfortunate acronym of LOUT. Apparently they did not build a flying vehicle. It has all been technical research, but it's a very interesting story, so take a look. Second up, Nevada and Alberta have teamed to create a Center of Excellence for Unmanned Systems in Energy and Mining. So this is a combo of the Nevada Institute for Autonomous Systems, or NIAS, and the Alberta Institute of Technology's Center for Innovation and Research in Unmanned Systems, or CIRRUS. Last but not least, the Navy and Boeing could make some underwater history. The Navy has bought 4 extra-large UUVs called Orca from Boeing, and they're going to be using those to help fill a gap in the submarine fleet. So that's an interesting development. Now we go to Brian for some of his news.
We're going to start this week by talking about one of the major news items of the week, which is UPS Flight Forward and CVS announcing that they recently successfully completed the first revenue-generating residential drone deliveries of medical prescriptions from a CVS pharmacy to customers in Cary, North Carolina. Utilizing a Matternet M2 drone, the flights launched from a CVS store in Cary. Once the drone reaches the respective locations, it lowered the packages to the ground using a cable and a winch while hovering about 20 feet above the properties. The US flew autonomously, but a remote operator monitored the flights and could intervene if necessary. Next, the University of Wisconsin-Madison's University Housing, Dining, and Culinary Services is launching a new food delivery service that will utilize Starship Technologies' autonomous delivery robots. The university's 66,000 plus students, staff, and faculty will have access to a fleet of 30 robots that can autonomously deliver food directly to the location. And finally, Intel's Mobileye has partnered with Chinese electric car startup NIO to develop autonomous vehicles for consumers. The strategic partnership will seek to bring highly automated and autonomous vehicles to consumer markets in China, as well as other major territories. As always, the links will be at the bottom, and we look forward to bringing you more unmanned news next week.